चलो।
Hello friends, in the metrology and quality engineering, there will be number of times the situation occur that you have to measure the taper angle of the given component. Either it may be small or it may be large. So this is the third number of experiment in which using taper slip gauge we are going to find out what is the exact taper and how to find out. The solution for this or the experiment for this is the instrument called as angle decker. The parts or components of the machine are as follows. This is a work table onto which a grease is applied. This is a pipe, or you can say a lens, in which inbuilt lens is mounted. This is an eyepiece through which you are going to follow the record or the data of the machine. Again, this is a green source of light. This is a green source of light in which the special light is provided in order to know the taper of the slip gauges. And this is a set of slip gauges in which the first slip gauge is called as standard slip gauge, whereas second slip gauge is given as some taper angle we have to find out. Let us start with the procedure of this experiment. Let us start with the procedure of the angle decker measuring instrument. First, take the ample amount of grease and apply it on the surface of the table so that no extra grit or any dust particles may affect the taper measurement of the component. Then take the standard slip gauge and place it under the eyepiece. Then the green light will follow. Keep the eyepiece on the slip gauge itself. Now watch through this micropiece and adjust the angle or zero line onto the surface of the slip gauge. Then take out the eyepiece. The distance has been already set on the micro space. Then remove the first slip gauge and keep the another slip gauge of which taper angle is to be measured. Now when again seeing from the eyepiece, you can exactly measure the taper angle given by angle decker instrument, so that the distance or the reading followed will be exactly onto the slip gauge. And for the convenience, the standard angle is given onto the slip gauge itself, so you can cross check the measured angle as well as actual angle onto the slip gauge. Thank you.